Well, here it is. It's the 20th, and Bobby died at 20 from a wasp bite. Uh, I think we need to go out back and pay our respects to him. He was one of my best friends. I could talk to him. I couldn't talk to my daughters, can't talk to my ex-wives. Nobody could talk to my exes. That's their problem. Yes, 1995 in Fiji. Remember that? Married on the beach? Whatever. Who cares? Who cares anymore? Right, Phoenix? The bird that rises from the ashes. Nobody cares anymore. Except for me. And everybody hides in their own closets. Skeletons in their closets, right? Not me. I got nothing to hide. Nothing to hide. I've been to all the major dive destinations of the world. That's something I set out to do and accomplish in my 20s, and I've done it. You see? Why are flamingos pink? Question. Why are flamingos pink? Well, it's a simple answer. Because they eat shrimp. Some can see, others can't. My sister can. I still get along great with my sister. One of the best sisters anybody could ever wish for. We used to sing to this Sound Explosion record. Sound Explosion from 1973. It was just yesterday. Sound Explosion from 1973. That was just yesterday. Where does time go? Right, Robin? And then we get the OCD freaks affecting all of us. But I'm a bird lover. I'm going to be doing this with Phoenix. I didn't call you Bobby that time. But let's go pay our respects to Bobby. Yeah. Are you coming down? Hello? Are you coming? Come on. You're a friendly bird. You're a friendly bird. Yes. Okay, go on my shoulder. Oh, shit. We're going out back. We have to pay our respects to Bobby. It's almost 5 o'clock in the morning. All right, here we go. Things are really going to be heating up here. It's 21 degrees already. It's 21 degrees already at 5 in the morning. This is the hottest place I've ever been in the world. I've been to Mexico, Fiji, Tahiti, Hawaii, Costa Rica, Dominican Republic, Honduras. This is the hottest place, and people say, oh, you're from Canada. You live with polar bears and live in igloos. Give me a break. Yes, I went to Norman's celebration of life. Now there's a crazy schizophrenic living there named Karen. She's nuts. Well, it's going up to 45 degrees today. 45. Okay. What are you doing? Get off my chain. What? All right. I want you to pay respects to Bobby. He's here. He's here. Abby helped me bury him. My friend of 10 years who I talk to. Who do I have to talk to anymore? Except for you?